Welcome everybody. As you can see from the Dow Weekly, we are pretty flat. This market is struggling here. This is 2017 highs just on this red line just above us at around about the 850, 870 mark. So today, not expecting a lot. There's no data around. Possibly some news may move it, but so I would just I think we're better off just enjoying the sun. If we look at the 60-minute chart, we've had a couple of buy signals and a few sell signals at this extension, and the trend line is coming in underneath us just in line with the 200-day average. This dotted yellow line is the high, the sort of pivot after the Sunday open. So the Friday close was 384, Sunday open was 550, and here we are just around the 650 mark. Alright, so if we can start closing above 650, 700, then maybe we can do something, but volumes are light. DAX very similar, came into the 127 extension on the 60-minute chart, holding last week's high, not doing a lot, and at the moment the little eyes are selling, so this is a tough area for the DAX as well. And you can see on the weekly chart, very narrow range, really narrow range, just knocking our head against that 50-day average. So I think next week I think we're going to see some lower numbers, at which point those really need to get bought if this is to have any sort of move into this US earnings season. Gold, it's not been a great looking chart to me, looking lower. I think if we come into this support though, I think it's consolidating. If we get a dip into 1325, 1330, that could fire that up and ultimately break through much higher. Bitcoin has certainly been trying to lift itself off this floor now. We've had one decent day on Thursday 12th, otherwise the rest of it is a lot of nothing really. I personally don't trade it, not sure why there's no data there. Pound, just spent a couple of weeks waiting for it to drop, and we got the drop this week right into the 50-day average. It's options expiry, so not surprising that they're holding it around the 140 mark. Okay, so I would take it easy. As for stocks, let's have a look at Walmart is just trying to do something here. 91.27 is a major pivot. We have this coming underneath us, so I'm expecting this to really lift this up now. If we start closing under 86, 85, then we've had it, but I think this could return to the 10 mark. Okay, what else we got? Macy's. I've had fun shorting this one in the past. Yeah, I just think these excuse me, just think these old bricks and mortar retailers have had their day. So I would like to get short up there to see if that can then break down. This is the 50, 100 and 200 day average on this weekly chart. So we actually had a sell signal last week. New little high, closed below. Right, so I would take it easy today with options expiry. Let's see what we get, and then I'll pick up on the levels for next week. All right, bye for now.